Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a listed home in scenic Mullica Township, New Jersey. And today we're at 4423 Moss Mill Road. And this one is very special because it has an in-law suite, and it's a true in-law suite, and I'll tell you all about that. This property is listed by Marcy Kurz. Marcy is one of the top agents in all South Jersey, and she lives in the general area here, Sweetwater. This is one of her favorite zones to list properties in. Her number is 856, and it's right up here, 261-1142. Give Marcy a call if you'd like to have your own private tour of this one. Let's check this out. It's got 4 beds, 2.5 baths. All the landscape elements are negotiable by the seller. You have this gorgeous fountain. The E.P. Henry herringbone design here is real nice. You can see it steps up all the way to the front door, and you have all kinds of landscape items that are negotiable that are in this extra side lot that comes with the property. I'll show you that momentarily. Let's check it out on the inside. All right, going up, we have gorgeous hardwood floors on the upper level of this bi-level home. And you can see that the kitchen is completely redone with granite countertops. You have the dovetail joints on the drawers, and you have soft touch cabinets, and you got plenty of cabinet space here. The breakfast island, you got the tile backsplash. You have the gray stainless steel, which is beautiful, recessed lighting. You have a dining area here. Big. The windows are replacement windows. As the bi-levels have, you have a huge family area, family room. And then coming down the corridor, we have 2 bedrooms up with a full bath, and we have 1 bedroom down with a half bath. This would be the smaller bedroom, used as a nursery. Right now, use it as you want. And then you have this full bath. Absolutely gorgeous. The gray color motif matches the tile floor. You got the hues of blue in the vanity. You have dovetail joints in this furniture grade vanity, and this clawfoot tub. Imagine just soaking in there for an hour. Absolutely fantastic. This shower has the rainmaker at the top, the recessed shelving for your soaps, and it's got the very expensive glass doors. Everything's taken care of for you. Coming in this way, we have bedroom number 2 here on the upper level, all hardwood floors. You can see that you have a huge sitting area here, and then plenty of room. That's a queen size bed. And back through the kitchen, you have access to the outside via this lovely slider. You have an elevated deck here, fantastic views of the backyard. And you got the composite decking all the way through, everything nice and neat that way. Just imagine hanging out back here, and you get the afternoon sunset over that way. Simply gorgeous. Heading downstairs, there's another bedroom here in this main section. Check out this gorgeous chandelier. This is the rear entrance underneath the composite deck, and you have a sitting room, newer windows, real nice. So coming from that room, you have another public area here. You have this lovely wall fireplace here, that's electric, recessed lighting. And then this could be, technically, you use it what you want. This is a bonus room. Maybe you use it as a bedroom. Maybe you use it as a home office. Maybe you could use it as a music room, as the seller is using it right now. You have a half bath. You have a glorious hotel style sink basin in the half bath. Everything nice and neat, high-end faucet, just awesome. You got your utilities back here. You have your washer and dryer in that room, irrigation, your pumps, all that. This would be technically bedroom number 3 in the main portion of the house. And of course you have that extra room on the side that's a bonus room. You use it as you want. It might be considered a 4-bedroom perhaps. But here's the real star of this house. You have this huge in-law suite. So this is its own private section. It's got a public entry off of the western side. Huge family room here. Perfect for adolescent kids coming up, or your adult family. Any which way you want to use it, you have all this opportunity. Got a kitchen here, dining area, and it's got a full bathroom, stand-up shower. So this is a true in-law suite. A lot of agents advertise them as such, but this is the real deal here. And you can see the enormity of this bedroom. Everything nice and neat here. This door is to the outside, so you have your own outside exit. And you also have, through these French doors, you have your own deck to the backyard. So you're together, but there's separation, and that makes it really, really nice. You have 2 sheds back here, all nice and neat. And you have a fenced yard. The entire property is not fenced, but the whole rear portion is 6-foot vinyl. That continues all the way here on the western side. And if you're a nature lover, you're gonna love this house. You have all kinds of mammals running around here. So you got this glorious yard here, and you have the main parcel right here, and that portion over there is an extra lot, and that's included in the sale. And that's like a park there. All kinds of wildlife, birds. What we're on here is this asphalt driveway. It goes all the way out to Moss Mill Road, nice and neat. And you can see how nature is right at your doorstep with the bird feeders, the owls, and all the gorgeous plantings. You got 2 rows of Sharons that are coming up right now and blooming. You got squirrel feeders here. You have your gnome bench. You got the power ball. And guess what? You have some dogs digging, and you got some black bears. But don't worry, those are just cut out plywood black bears. You don't have to be too concerned about them. But if you wanted any of these landscape items, you would negotiate that with your offer when you put the offer in. So you have this awesome side yard, birds galore, wildlife galore, squirrels all over. I'm sure that you get the deer running through here at dusk and dawn, but simply smashing. So this one is nature, wildlife galore, scenic Mullica Township, New Jersey. Marcy Kurz is the listing agent. You're gonna wanna give her a call. And of course, if you love this video and find tremendous value in it, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and we could use your help getting there. Almost there, that'd be great. And if you know anybody that wants to move to Mullica Township before the start of the new school year, just share the video with them, and then Marcy can be their agent and show the property. The property is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath officially. However, you might be able to get 1 more bedroom out of this, but whether you call it a bedroom or not, or a bonus room, that's up to you. Property has been renovated in many, many ways. All kinds of lovely accent items, especially in the bathroom and the kitchen. Got lovely hardwood floors all throughout. And the backyard and side yard where you have the extra lot, simply incredible, especially if you like nature, and my friend who is the crow behind me right now. So like, share, and subscribe. Give Marcy a call. And as always, Marcy Kurz and Joe Wiessner hope to see you at the settlement table.